Hello YouTube, it's Steve with Exploring the American Frontier. Simon Kenton stands out as a man who revolutionized the role of the Sigma male in the 1800s. In 2022, the sun is rising, and it's the perfect time to head out and see history upon the plains and manifest your destiny. So plan your trip, grab your survival gear, and head into the wilderness and explore.
Subscribe for more Exploring the American Frontier.
If you need help picking out your Frontier survival gear and want Frontier survival tips and outdoor living hacks, check out Chacote Outdoor Recreation channel and learn the tricks of the trade from the Frontier Master. This channel features tons of trade trick tips and secrets that'll keep you prepared on your exploration into the American frontier. Exploring the American Frontier is focused on learning more about and exploring early American history and the stories that are lost between time and translation. Join us today and help create a community where frontiersmen's stories get told. We will be exploring more into the frontiersmen who carved out and protected this great land, like Lewis Wetzel, Simon Kenton, Daniel Boone, Kit Carson, and the men who took their destiny into their own hands. Subscribe to this channel. We need your help in building a vault of stories from local Revolutionary War, French and Indian, Native American tradition, and the trails of Western expansion into the wilderness unknown, and how we became a great nation. You can do this by commenting and sharing the information with your friends and children, liking and subscribing to this channel. Exploring the American Frontier is about helping make history come alive and to be a part of the new exploration of the American frontier. Subscribe and share your story below in the comments section. What are you waiting for? Let's explore!